Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ulfatul Hasanah, study program Mathematics Education. Here I will explain about procedure text material. Definition procedure text. Procedure text is a genre of writing. Procedure text itself is text that shows how to make something or how to do something sequentially or step by step. Destination procedure text. The purpose of procedure text is to provide instruction how to do something through coherent action or steps. Characteristic of procedure text. Using the command sentence pattern or imperative. For example, cut the banana into pieces, don't mix the coconut milk with water, heat the water for 5 minutes, and other. Using action verbs. For example, crack, cook, cut, heat, mix, and so on. Using sequence adverbs such as first, second, next, then, finally, while. Using adverbial or adverbs to state the details of time and place. For example, for cook the mixture for 1 hour, boil the water for minutes, crack the egg into the bowl, and so on, using the simple present tense. Generic structure procedure text. 1. Aim or goal. This aim is the purpose of procedure text, usually in the form of a title or description of what will be made or done. 2. Materials. This section contains a list of material and tools to complete the procedure text. However, not all procedure text requires material. 3. Steps. The step section contains a series of steps that must be performed sequentially. This step must be done so that the goal stated in the aim or goal section can be achieved. There are 3 types of procedure text that do not use material or tool, namely 1. Procedure text that describe how to do an instruction manually or how something can work. For example, how to use the television, the fridge, the phone, of the rice cooker, and others. 2. Procedure text that explain the rules of how to do certain activity, for example, flag safety rules, video game rules, and others. 3. Procedure text that teaches humans about life or related to human nature and habits. For example, how to be happy, how to be useful for someone, how to get a boyfriend, and so on. Sample procedure text. How to make fried rice. Ingredients: 2 cloves of garlic, 2 onions, an egg, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, a plate of rice, salt. Step: First, chop garlic and onion into the small pieces. Second, heat vegetable oil and frying pan. 3. Put the chopped garlic and onion into the hot vegetable oil. Fry them a while. 4. Add an egg into the pan and stir them. 5. Put 1 plate of rice. Fry and mix them around 3 minutes. 6. Add 2 pieces of salt. Continue frying until the rice is mixed perfectly. Finally, put the fried rice in a plate. Fried rice is ready to serve. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.